Welcome Congressman Culberson to the payload suite here in Mission Control in Johnson Space Center. And today we're going to be testing out the Callisto payload. And so one of the beauties of this is looking at how this could be used for deep space exploration. How can we make the crew members' lives more efficient, more easy, more fun? So as you can see, our Moonikin, and then the Callisto payload is right in the middle there, and that would normally be where the crew displays are. One of your passions, Congressman, is doing science. And
yes.
So you have your crew members, doing a lot of their science experiments, but they needed to do a telemetry check. So that's where our Alexa comes in.
Alexa, what point on Earth are you over right now?
Using Orion's current geodetic latitude and longitude location data calculated by onboard guidance, navigation, and control software, Orion is currently over South America.
And so my voice was actually transmitted on board the spacecraft.
Yes, I was going to say, were you ready
at
to
that
hear
moment.
Your voice on space? Your
Yeah,
voice has
that's
now
extraordinary.
been to space.
Alexa, how fast is Orion going right now?
Orion's current relative velocity to Earth is 2,804 miles per hour.
Alexa, what is the cabin pressure?
The pressure inside Orion is currently 14.1 pounds per square inch.
Alexa, what is the temperature inside Orion?
Cabin temperatures throughout the mission vary between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now, not only has your voice been to deep space, but now your image is in deep space as well. And that's what we wanted to showcase. We wanted to showcase that it also has this video technology. And so you can be doing video calls with loved ones, with Mission Control, also as part of the technology. I've got one more that I'd like to try, if you wouldn't mind.
Not at all, please.
Let's see. Alexa, set the lights to USA mode.
Land of the free.
Perfect. So this is our WebEx whiteboard by Cisco. Right. And what we can do here, you can either write with your finger or you can use the stylus. You can see how we can use these technologies to communicate with folks that are on board. So again, do you have any friends or family or yourself that ever wanted to be an astronaut? We can pretend that somebody's on board right now.
My friend John
There
Webb
you go.
in California.
Excellent.
Hey, Donnie. I'm inside the Orion control room, and we are literally live on board the Orion spacecraft. You can see that is a live image from the Orion spacecraft.
So we've got John is in the Orion spacecraft right now. This is being transmitted on board to the Artemis I spacecraft. We've got a landing site here, and that you want to travel all the way up here.
Well, it's a little out of the way, but it looks like this is gonna be the smoothest path to follow and the most direct, kind of weaving through these craters. And that here it's gonna get a little brutal. And of course, Donnie's been my best friend for life, and being my best friend, I'd like to send him through that crater. But we'll make it easy on you, Donnie, because after all, you're driving a taxpayer-funded vehicle, and we don't want to damage it.
And so now, Lisa, if you'll show the camera, your route is now recorded on our Artemis I spacecraft. So one of the last things we're going to have you do, Congressman, is sign as our virtual crew member, sign our crew member log.
Fabulous.
All right.
It's extraordinarily impressive. It really is absolutely phenomenal.